Tustin American Legion Post 227 awards the Certificate of Distinguished Achievement to one young woman and one young man from our school. It is my sincere pleasure tonight to introduce you to Mr. Jonathan Mott from the Tustin American Legion, who will be presenting these awards tonight. Mr. Mott?
On behalf of Tustin Post 227, the American Legion, it is my pleasure to announce the two recipients of the American Legion School Award. Throughout the United States, this award is presented to two 8th grade students from middle schools and junior high schools. The criteria used across the country to select the recipients are patriotism, service to school, leadership, cooperation and courtesy, scholarship, morality, integrity, respect for property and people. Based upon these criteria, the two top 8th grade students who have demonstrated the highest degree of these qualities are selected to receive this award. The selection is made each year by the 8th grade teaching staff and the administration at CEI Middle School. The names of these two students will be inscribed on a permanent plaque in the principal's office at Dunn Middle School. It's my pleasure to present this award to Christine Diaz and Abdullah Yusufi.